this is Chef Brad from the Wondermill Company. I love baking bread and just about baking everything. And recently, I rediscovered something that's really hard to find, and that is the natural yeast for baking. Oh my goodness, I love that smell. It brings back so many memories of growing up. This is how we used to make bread years and years ago before we got those wonderful instant yeast. I love the instant yeast, but these old yeast really give you, the end product is really amazing. It totally changes the textures and the flavors, and it's very simple to use. We now sell this at chefbrad.com, so it's great. You can just order it with our sourdough starter or separate, but I just want to show you how to use it, how easy it is. You just get a little bit of warm water, and you just take tablespoon per tablespoon, just take a little chunk, cut it off, set it in the water, and just kind of break it up in there, and you're going to proof it. And I always like to add just a little bit of sugar. That helps it proof a little bit faster because yeast loves sugar. So a little bit of sugar, a little bit of this natural yeast, and we're just going to mix it up, and the smell is just amazing. So if your recipe calls for a couple tablespoons of yeast, use a couple tablespoons of natural yeast. Now, we're going to let it proof, and this is going to be new to a lot of you that make bread. Letting it proof is you're just going to let it set for 3 to 4 minutes, and it's actually going to foam up. And then at this point, you add this to your recipe and follow your recipe like you normally would.